Hey guys, welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Catherine. I've got an awesome makeover video planned for you today using thrifted and affordable finds and this awesome popcorn trick you've got to try with your family. And what's more, I am giving 2 Cricuts away to 2 of you. So you don't go anywhere. We are jumping right in. It's been a while since I got to make a video with my good friend Jess. I was over at her house recently on her 3rd floor, and this is their family movie room. And there was a quarter of this space that she had just been using as a catch-all. She had always wanted to turn it into a movie theater station. I'm constantly seeing giant wood pieces on Facebook Marketplace. Some of them just need a fresh coat of paint and you can do a lot of fun things. So we cleared out the area and then took some chalk paint and added a little accent to the front. We really wanted to turn this area into the full movie room experience. I had some leftover contact paper I got from the Dollar Spot at Target, and I thought it would be really cool to put in the back. Dollar Spot at Target has amazing turntables, and the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General also have giant candy dispensers. These are one of my favorite finds, so we could decant all the goodies. I feel like Willy Wonka. I love the dollar stores and the dollar section at Target, and you can actually purchase these items in bigger quantities, like groups of 2 online. They can ship to your home, ship to store, so you don't have to fight to try to find them. I love this tip. If we were gonna go all out, we were gonna go all out. So we got this super cool telephone booth, which also came from the thrift store. An awesome thrifty find and perfect for candy. And it didn't stop there. We decided this project had to be lit. Oh, let there be light. These are battery operated lights. I'll be sure to link them down below. We also had to add puck lights to the telephone booth, and we went to the dollar store and got tons of fun candy and $1 containers to fill the inside. It looks so cool. Leave me a comment down below and tell me the coolest item you have ever seen while thrifting. Sometimes things totally surprise you and you can use them in an unexpected way. We also picked up 2 canvases to help dress up the area. Then it came time to personalize it, and this is why I love using the Cricut. So my favorite machine is the Cricut Joy. I love it because it's the most affordable option. It's so easy to use out the gate. No skill required. There is a free app on your phone. You can go into the app. The interface is very intuitive. Type in whatever label or whatever you want it to say. There are tons of options, and you cut it using smart vinyl. And this you don't have to use a mat for. There is no mess, no fuss. Feed this into your machine. Then you want to weed out the excess vinyl and then take transfer tape. You're going to lay this over the top and use your rubbing tool to help it adhere. Peel it back so your vinyl now adheres to the transfer tape, and you can stick it on any surface. Once you start with the Cricut, you really don't want to stop, and I'm so excited to give a Joy away to one of you guys. I got big woven baskets from Big Lots to put on the bottom, and the labels from the dollar section at Target, which are super easy to use using the Joy. This could not be easier and looks so professional. It's so fun to get creative with it. We decided to add even a personal touch right to the Keurig. So if you've got an old nightlight, you can take some vinyl, put it right on like that. Check out how cool this looks.
Oh, that's cool.
I love it. We wanted to do a movie theme. We put these all over some Dollar Tree mugs, and we got a floating shelf from Ross for very inexpensive, and this looks so cute on the wall. We also got some of the clear mugs from Dollar Tree and put movie quotes on them, which was super fun. I get asked a lot about Cricut machines because it can feel like the learning curve is very steep. However, once you get going, it really is simple. And if you want to do some bigger projects, like bigger art projects or cut on different mediums, I love the Cricut Explore Air, and it's very easy to use. And this is what we did with the canvas art. The great thing about this studio are there are lots of designs that are already made for you. So we just used some that were already made and put some fun and silly quotes that we had way too much fun thinking up. The easiest way to apply your vinyl to the mat is to very slowly lift off the protective cover and then roll your vinyl down the front to avoid any air bubbles. You stick it right into the machine, and the design studio will walk you through all the steps that you need to print your project. And the great thing is, it's kind of like learning to ride a bike. The more you play with it, the easier it becomes. But I love that the interface is very simple, so a novice could use it, and as you start to try more intricate projects, you can use it for those too. It was such a fast project, and I think they look really beautiful in the space. There's also a really fun trick I want to share with popcorn. You can buy pre-made popcorn bags, or you can just put a 1/4 cup of popcorn kernels right into a brown paper bag, or these super cute bags I got from the Dollar Tree, and microwave it for a couple of minutes until there's 1 to 2 seconds between pops. Then you can pour on your butter, cheeses, salt, whatever you want to, and you've got custom homemade popcorn. It really is that easy. This project was so much fun. I can't wait to share with you the reveal. Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo.
It turns colors. I like this a lot.
If you enjoyed this video, leave it a big thumbs up. I'm choosing 2 of you, that's 4, 2 of you, 1 to receive a Cricut Joy and 1 to receive a Cricut Explore Air. All you have to do is leave me a comment down below and tell me your favorite part of this makeover. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. Go make something magical, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, Owen's gonna test it out. Let's see, can Owen test it out? What? What was the best part about it?
You didn't care.
Is it good?
That's some good popcorn.